The debutante ball. Have you been asked? Well, some of you might not even know what a debutante ball is. I didn't until I was going to go to one, and I did go to one. And it was a great time. It was dress up, and it was the coming out of your daughter. It's a hard transitional time. Can be younger, can be older in the adolescent stage, but usually it's younger. It's this idea of debuting. The debutante, it's the coming out party of the new young lady. Who's the young lady? Your daughter. Who's the date? It's you, Dad. You get to show off your daughter. And guess what? She wants you to show her off. She wants to show you off. This is a big deal. She plans for it. She wants to be there. And guess what? A lot of us men, like I was, it's just like, are you kidding me? I got to go to what? A debutante ball? First, I don't know what the word debutante means. I don't know what the word ball means. And I'm wondering why. Well, the why is because your daughter wants to. And if it isn't called a debutante ball, but if it's a coming out, maybe a middle school dance, it's a very, very important time because you would like to be able to set some of those guidelines for dates that your daughter is going to be thinking about going on. And you are going to be able to talk to her in a very relaxed setting. A lot of times we're trying to get the conversation going. Well, the dance provides the conversation starter. It's like, oh, by the way, here's how your mother and I went to dances. Here's what we did. Maybe you talk about your wedding dance. What a big deal. So don't miss this, Dad. It's really a big time, and it's a good time. And just because you might feel a little nervous or a little stumbling around, take advantage of it. It's great. Thanks for stopping by.